Hi there! My name is Sonia, and I'm a student in the Pre-Hospital Emergency Care Program at Ahuntsic College. I've been in this program for over a year now, and my goal is to become a paramedic. So that means someone who can help others in their time of need by supplying emergency medical care and quickly transporting these patients to the adequate medical facility that meets their needs. Now, in my previous video, I had spoken about the Virtual Writing Tutor, a brilliant website for those who want help knowing how to write and speak in English. It's free, easy to use, and if you haven't gone to check it out, I suggest you do. Today, though, we're going to be talking about another website. It'd be the Heart and Stroke Foundation. Now, as you can see, I have opened up Google. In the center of the screen, we have the search bar. We're going to click on that and type out Heart and Stroke Foundation, but Foundation comes up, so we're going to double click on that. You're going to get the generic Google page. You have a few ads up here. We're not going to go on that. We're going to go Heart and Stroke Foundation of Canada home. You have the link address down here, which also tells you that it's a real site. No false advertising. When you click on it, this is the web page that's going to show up. You have in the URL bar up here heartandstroke.ca. We're going to use the right side of the screen. This is our scroll bar that we're going to use to scroll down. And you have different, this is the menu. You have Heart, Stroke, Get Healthy, Get Involved, What We Do, Research, Search Bar, and Donate. So we're going to go on Heart. Why this website? Because as a paramedic, we often deal with heart disease, and people don't know how to deal with it. That's fine. You're allowed to not know, but what we want to do is raise awareness, and that's what this webpage is all about. It's raising awareness, showing you the signs and symptoms, how to avoid getting heart disease, what you can do if you're prone to having it, and who knows, maybe with the information you acquire from this website, you'll be able to save someone's life. So what is heart disease? Well, look at that. They have an option for you to click here. So what is heart disease? We're going to double click on that. And another thing that's great about this website is it gives you simple, easy to read definitions that are quite concise and really well worded. So honestly, if you were looking through this, it's great to get an idea of what's going on in your body. Emergency signs. Fun fact, all medical research for a while has been done on men. So ladies, the signs and symptoms that we may have are often considered as atypical. So you should probably look into that to see what type of signs you may have. It doesn't necessarily pair with the general signs of a heart attack, but it could be that. So it's good to know. So you have chest discomfort, sweating, upper body discomfort, nausea, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, all different types of signs that it would be good to know that is the signs of a heart attack. What to do? You have all the information here. Is there certain words that you may not understand? Like, let's see. Let's go in tests, A to Z. Angiography. What is an angiography? Oh, my doctor told me I had that, or I have to get that done. What is it? It'll explain it perfectly to you. And that's what's really good about this website too. If you have a few fears before going to take a big important test that your doctor said that has like 80 letters in it, you can see what it means. Same goes for strokes. Types of treatment, you can go onto that, see what it's all about. It's a brilliant website, and all of this is to prevent people from dying of it. So prevention is key. Wise words. Lifestyle risk factors. We all have seen these. It's time we use them. You can also go at the top of the page, there's a section Get Healthy. And what's brilliant about this is that if you scroll down, that's an ad that popped up. We're going to click X on that. Eat well, get moving, stop smoking. Could you be at risk? Ask yourself the question. You can try the free risk assessment. Start now, and you'll see it's a quick little quiz. They'll send you your results by email. No money is involved, so I suggest you do it. Check it out. Get involved. Learning CPR can change someone's life. So you have the section here, Learn CPR, and it can give you guidelines as to where you can go for your local CPR classes that may be offered nearby to you guys. Learn to save a life, train others if you already know. It'd be great to share your knowledge. They have a wonderful video that explains it in 90 seconds. I suggest you check it out, guys. So that's a little bit of an overview of the Heart and Stroke Foundation. Take a 10-minute just to check it out, what they're all about, and share the awareness, guys. That's really all we want to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.